Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to create an eye-catching book cover design using ChatGPT. Whether you're self-publishing, working on a new lead magnet, or just curious about the process, I've got you covered. Actually, it's super easy. You just need to write a good prompt. This ensures that the cover matches your book's vibe. Your prompt should look something like this. Create a book cover for this book. And then list your answers to these 8 key points. Title of the book, and double check the spellings. This one's obvious, right? But trust me, you really want to make sure your title is spelled correctly, especially if it's something unique or tricky. The AI will need the exact title to generate any text on the cover, and accuracy is key. Provide your name or the author's name if you're designing for someone else. Be clear about how it should appear. Full name, first name only, initials, etc. That way, it'll look polished and professional. Let the AI know your book's genre. Thriller, romance, fantasy, self-help. Whatever it is, this helps set the right tone and imagery. A romance novel might use soft pastels, while a thriller might go for darker tones and bold fonts. Give a short summary or a couple of sentences about your book's content. It doesn't need to be a full synopsis, just enough to capture the main idea. Is it a heart-pounding mystery? A light-hearted adventure? This helps shape the visual direction. Who is your book for? Teens, professionals, kids? The audience influences everything, from imagery to font size. A children's book cover will look totally different from a business guide. Is your book dark and suspenseful, light and funny, or calm and inspirational? The tone affects everything, from color palette to design style. So include this too. Already have a vision? Share it. Maybe it's a specific color scheme, an image you love, or a general vibe like minimalist or bold and vibrant. The more direction you give, the better the result. Do you want an illustrated look, a photo-based design, or something super clean and minimal? Be specific here. The AI can adapt to a wide range of styles. Just tell it what you're looking for. I've included the prompt in the video description below. Once you've filled out those 8 points, ask ChatGPT to describe 3 possible design concepts for your cover, and choose the one you like most. From there, the AI can generate a book cover that reflects your vision. You'll get a digital quality design that's great for ebooks, or a starting point to hand off to your graphic designer for a professional touch. Here are a few examples of what I got. Play with the prompts until you're happy with the result. If you want your cover as a 3D mockup, just ask. At first, the AI might suggest some tools instead of generating it directly. That happened to me too, but with a little back and forth, it got the job done. Just talk to it like you would with a designer or a friend. If you're not sure about something, ask ChatGPT if it can do it for you. For example, I wasn't sure if it could create a tablet mockup with my book cover, but it could. So fun! Did you enjoy this video? Then don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy book designing!